హాయ్ నవీన్,
Hi, sir.
ఎలా ఉన్నారు మా?
I am fine, sir.
సో ఎలా ఫీల్ అవుతున్నారు?
I am so happy, sir,
ఎందుకు ఈ హ్యాపీనెస్?
to to place in a MNC company.
Okay,
That was
Cognizant.
my dream. Yes,
Your dream is to get in Cognizant.
yes, sir.
That's one of the best thing you have done. Definitely
Yes,
have to say. So ఈ జర్నీ ఎలా స్టార్ట్ అయింది ఎస్వి ప్రొఫెషనల్స్ తోటి? మీరు అంటే ఫ్రమ్ హూమ్ రెఫరెన్స్ ఆర్ హౌ యూ గాట్ ఇన్ ఓవర్ ఎస్వి మా?
Through my friend referrals, I was attended a demo class in SV. I liked the demo class very much about the communicational skills, accounts, and finance. I joined 2 months training in SV. Through that, I improved my accounts knowledge and finance knowledge, and I also improved my communicational skills.
నైస్.
And I finally get in a big company like Cognizant.
One of the best company.
Yes.
One of the best company.
Yes.
So did you get any difference like in you after getting into this institute?
Yes, sir. I see a lot of different. I cannot speak in English first, but I'm now practicing and also improve my communicational skills.
I can see that you
Yes.
improved a lot since
Yes, sir.
the first day I can see you, and
Yes,
today
sir.
I'm seeing you. A lot of change, and your body language and the way you speak. It sounds great. Actually, it sounds great, and
Yes.
the like I just want to know, like, what are the initiations you took to change yourself? Okay, definitely we have very good trainers here,
Yes.
but what kind of practice you have done?
Yes, sir. After training classes over, I went to the home and practiced with my friends. I also practice with my camera by taking small videos and correcting my expressions and speaking, and also improving my speaking skills, English skills.
Good, good,
Through
good.
that,
Because that
through
self
the-
observation is
Yes,
really
yes,
important.
sir.
One of the best job you have done, seriously, because
Yes,
when
sir.
you look at yourself, on the camera, you'll know what you are.
Yes.
And I'll say that is one of the best thing you've done, definitely. So but what do you rate to this training, and what out of 10, and what do you feel the best thing in this training?
I rate it as a 10 by 10, sir.
Okay.
They are perfect in everything. Varun sir and Sudhir sir and Konda Reddy sir, Praveen sir, they are perfect in everything. They helped me gain knowledge in accounts, finance, and also improve my communicational skills.
Yes, yes. So,
And also taken mock interviews for every week to
yes.
improve the interview skills also.
Yeah, true.
Yes, sir.
So everything helped you, every trainer helped you feel.
Yes, sir. Every time.
Which college you are from?
I'm from Aurora PG College, sir.
Aurora PG College,
Ramantapur.
Ramantapur.
Yes.
Oh, nice. A lot of people have come and got a lot of successful stories even from here.
Yes, sir.
So, great then, great then. So how your family is feeling about that?
My family is very happy because I was placed in a company with a decent package.
Okay. So if you want to speak about this institute personally, what do you want to say? I mean,
It is one of the best institutes in Hyderabad.
okay.
They also
No, it's not like that. But anyways, giving for that compliment that
Yes.
we are one of the best. Thanks for that compliment. Okay.
they are helped me in everything by also creating opportunity by referring me in a companies. They also trained in every aspect of me.
Nice.
Yes, sir.
Good to hear that. Happy to hear that personally.
Yes.
And I wish you all the best for your future. And I
Yes, sir.
congratulate once again.
Thank you.
And definitely that's one of the good start, because starting in Cognizant into accounts payable and good package, like very rare cases we get this, a good company, good role, good package. And I feel happy that you got three of the things at a time. And
Yes,
I want you to be in more good positions, definitely. And
Yes.
I wish you all the best. Wish you all the best.
Yes, sir.